Hi, I'm Ned Nelson from NoiseStop Systems. I'm talking to you today about soundproofing mitigation measures for walls. When embarking on a project, one of the first things that you need to consider is what type of soundproofing requirements do you need, whether it's the walls, the ceilings, floors, doors, windows, and so on. So today I'm going to talk to you about a project that we're doing over at Roseburn Avenue in Singapore, and specifically going to talk to you about noise mitigation measures in the project to deal with the walls. One of the things that you need to look into detail when you're going to design a system that is basically a treatment to create a wall barrier is the materials that you use, the thickness of the materials, and the ultimate result in what you want to achieve. What you'll find on the local market, and certainly in the international market as well, is the concept of just using a partition with insulation inside. That couldn't be further away from the truth. First of all, essentially, that partition is no more special or different to that of a normal, drywall partition or something that has some fireproofing or thermal properties. For soundproofing, we need to have density, depth, and separation of layers in order to get a very good result. And I think one of the main problems that you will find is that people and contractors and consultants aren't providing these three important measures. So typically the thickness of wall that you would need in a soundproofing build should at least be something that's 200 mm depth, not 50, not 80, not 100, but at least 200 mm. So in this build that we've got, we're using high density fiberboard. We're using our NoiseBlock Triple B, which is a viscoelastic polymer at 6 millimeters that comprises of 3 different viscoelastic polymers. We've also got the dense fiber block at 200 kg density. We've also got the Eco Rock at 90 kg density, and we've also got our Soundfire 17 millimeter board. And on top of that, we've also got our Impact mat and our Dayglow mat. So that comprises of, in this particular build, 250 mm depth. And at 250 mm depth, the result that we're going to get is significantly better than a standard method that would be used at the same price or same cost locally. So it's important to make sure you've got these different materials that you're using. It's important to make sure that you get the depth. Without the depth, you won't achieve the result. You can't really see it from this wall, but in actual fact, this is multiple layers. It starts from here and goes all the way over to there. Let's see if we can see it from this end, but we can't really. We're only seeing the first layering. If you've got any more sort of questions or ideas or something that you'd like to talk about or something that you would like us to answer, please drop us a message at the end of this YouTube video. This is our first video regarding noise mitigation measures or soundproofing for walls, and we'll do a few more of these videos and then see how we get on. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you again soon.